How to multi-stream YouTube and Twitch. Multi-streaming to YouTube and Twitch expands your audience reach and diversifies your platform presence, maximizing your content's exposure and engagement potential. Now here is how we are going to do it. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open a browser, and from this point forward, I just want you to go ahead and look for like Streamlabs video in this page or in my... From here, you're just going to go ahead and open one of them. And then you're going to go ahead and click the link in the description box or in the comment section down below. Now just go ahead and click it. Now from this point forward, I want you to go ahead and register or log in order for you to save up to $20 worth of discount. Now we want to get a Streamlabs Ultra, but in order for us to get Streamlabs Ultra, you'll have to register for this one. Now going back, say for example, you are already done with Streamlabs Ultra, you're going to go ahead and click the settings. Now here in the settings, go ahead and click stream. Now from this point forward, what you're going to do is you're going to connect YouTube as well as Twitch. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to start with YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and click this one here, click this once again, and then we're going to go ahead and log in. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open the settings once again, and then we're going to click stream, and right here you can see that I have already linked my YouTube. Now we're going to do the same thing for Twitch. I'm going to click this one, click connect, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. Alright, there you go. Now we're going to authorize this one, and we're going back here, click stream, and as you can see, we have already linked Twitch and YouTube, so we're going to go ahead and proceed with live streaming. So I'm going to click go live, and from this point forward, I'm going to go ahead and enable streaming to Twitch as well as streaming to YouTube. Now you don't have the option to disable this one. This is actually Facebook, and I have used Facebook to log in here. So what is going to happen is that you'll be streaming not only to Twitch and YouTube, but you're also going to stream to Facebook. Now if you don't want that to happen, you can just go ahead and log out and instead log into your YouTube or to your Twitch. Now from this point forward, I'm going to go ahead and basically set the test here. So this is stream test. You can also go ahead and write the description, and then you have the option to do it separately for different settings like Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube. So you can definitely do that one. Now once everything is done, go ahead and click confirm and go live. So yep, you're just going to go ahead and wait for this one, and everything should be okay. So congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to multi-stream YouTube and Twitch. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials, from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.